How to log into wise.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Tech. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can log into your Wise, which is a money transfer account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into your wise.com account, just open up your browser, go to wise.com. I will also make sure to drop a link below. Once you come to the website, you will basically see this type of interface, and what you need to do is from the top right hand side you can see two options, which is the register button. So if you've not yet created an account, you can just click the register button. Make sure to sign up using your email address or your phone number over here. But if you already have created an account, just come back, click the option called login from the top right hand side of the screen. Then it will ask you for your email address. Make sure to enter your email address, and then also make sure to simply enter your password. Once you've entered your email address and password, if you're not sure what you've typed in, you can just tap the I icon on the right hand side of the screen. If you want to log in with Google, Facebook or Apple ID, you can do that. If you forgot your password, then you can click on trouble logging in and then reset it accordingly. But if your details are correct and then you click on the login button, you will be successfully logged into your wise.com account. This is how you can log into your Wise, which is a money transfer application. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.